yourself a shot and let's start to sin. The bottle's getting lower again, my friend. Let's light up the smoke and live hard till the end. Yeah, I'll do it right, you can do it wrong. Just look out, darling, 'cause you know I'm cock strong. You can do me right and I'll do you wrong. Look out, darling, 'cause I'm showing you the rebel within. I'm drunk again. Let's go again. Let's go again. Till dawn again. I'm drunk again. Let's go again. Let's go again. Till dawn. The more I try to keep on hanging on, it makes me feel like I've lost everything I've owned. Maybe it was all the hell I raised, or it might have been the whiskey that I drank for days. Was it 'cause I don't fit in, or maybe it was 'cause I had the devil as a friend? Hell, I know I never made mama proud, so let's live it up and you can shoot it down again. I'm drunk again. Let's go again. Let's go again. Till dawn again. I'm drunk again. Let's go again. Let's go. I'm showing you the rebel with rebel with it. The more I try to do right, it just seems wrong.